Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you change account color on your Tumblr app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to change your profile colors. So all you have to do, just go down here. So you click here on this sign down here and it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go up, you click here on this sign here in app, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on account here. So in here can you choose your account color here. So there is a lot of color can you choose, and here can you control your color here, and here can you create your color you want to add on your account. So I'm going to choose so this color here for example, and like you see now it's going to change with me here in post and account. So that's all you have to do to change your color account. That's all. Thank you for, and when you're down you click here on this sign to save video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.